If you need to view your full card number in the American Express app, follow these steps to access it easily. This guide will help you navigate the app to find your card details. Step 1. Open the American Express app. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to your account. Once logged in, locate the menu or account section. This is usually represented by your profile icon or a menu button, which will take you to your account details. Step 3. Select your card. In the account section, find and select the specific card for which you want to view the full number. Tap on the card to access its details. Step 4. Access card information. Look for an option that says Card Details or View Card Number. This may be located under a section that provides information about your card usage and benefits. Step 5. Authenticate your identity. To ensure security, you may be prompted to authenticate your identity. Follow the on-screen instructions, which may include entering a security code or using biometric verification like fingerprint or facial recognition. After completing these steps, you should be able to view your full card number in the app. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to American Express customer support for further assistance.